Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to easily change clothes in a photo using Google Gemini's Nano. This is new feature that lets you transform outfit instantly just by typing a simple prompt. It's super simple, easy, and super fast. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then once you're inside, just log in using your Google account, and after that just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon, this one, and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano. And then after that just upload the photo of the person whose outfit that you want to change. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. And then once the photo loads in, you are ready for the fun part. Now you only need to write a simple prompt. For example, you can type something like this, like replace the clothes with a modern white formal suit. For example like this, and then after you're done writing the prompt, just tap on generate. Like this, as you can see, Gemini Nano will instantly generate a brand new outfit on the person like this. And honestly, it looks super realistic, like they were actually wearing it in real life. It's no photoshops, no manual editing, just pure AI magic. But that's not all. You can also use real clothing image as references if you want a specific design. For example like this, I will just upload a outfit like this, and after that just write a prompt like this. Okay, like this. As you can see, Gemini will automatically copy the outfit, like the color styles from the clothing reference, and apply it to your subject. And honestly, the result looks incredibly realistic, like an actual photo shoot. It's perfect for maybe fashion previews, outfit testing, or maybe creative edits. And okay, that's it. With just a few clicks and a simple prompt, you can completely change someone's outfit, like maybe make it casual, formal, trendy, or even experimental. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!